Hello people, how you doing? Welcome back to Live It Right channel. This is your girl Amaje. If today is your first time coming across my YouTube channel, you're very welcome to join the family. Subscribe to this channel, press notification bell so whenever I upload a new video here, you'll be the first to be notified. Yeah. Today's topic, we're going to talk about Boma and Tega, the people that was in Big Brother house. Yeah. So although they don't invite them long ago, about a week ago, so they grant Boma husband interview. When he agree, say he go accept your wife back. He said because the girl a good girl, you know. He said the girl a good girl, you don't know why she go there, go dey misbehave. So he definitely go accept am back. I got surprised though, because I will put the video here where they grant and the interview. I got surprised. Day before yesterday, say make nobody call am Boma husband again. The reason why I don't know, because when I first watch that interview, I'm like, which African man go do this kind of thing? Say accept your wife back when everybody see when they jogodo your wife, even your family, your friends, and you agree say for 1 week you no fit come outside for your house. I say, well, God is good though, the love not be here. As I come see the post wey he put now, he say nobody should call am Boma husband again. I say, you see, now you know say they don dey reach the finance and Boma no bring the 90 million again, so there is problem. Women be wise, before Boma go for that Big Brother Naija, he and the husband don sit down have an agreement to say, okay, fine, you can go, but remember you're a married woman, right? Because she had sponsors, people that was sponsoring her, she have them. So it's an agreement because she's married. It's not like a single woman who can do anything she like. You get what I mean now? Yeah. So now she did under somebody. She has to follow others. Now, as a married man, woman where you don't marry, why you go allow and go Big Brother Naija, knowing that all what they do for that place na game, all what they do for that place na yawu, it no make sense, it no corrupt. So you send your wife go there. Not be all women they feel hold themselves. Yeah, there are some women that can stay for years, months. They don't even remember such thing. I swear to God, there are women like that. They don't even know that something they exist. Except maybe they'll see something where go, they say, oh really? Then they see something like this. But don't say still they their mind to do. So now you when you marry your wife, you know, you say you know how to behave like that there. But that place is a game. And women, make una dey use una sense, use your brain. Now e don dey push am, or maybe they don already separate. We never hear the full gist now. We don already dey get issue for their marriage, say you don go sleep with another man. Because this society where we dey, even if the man forgive you, God forgive you, people around will not forgive you. By the time they can disturb your husband, you no be man, you wey your wife go dey cheat on you, you wey abeg you, the man will feel bad, and as a human being, he go wan retaliate. But now, if you too as a woman, if you value that marriage, you no go. A responsible man will not even send the wife to Big Brother. That's the gospel truth. So too often I know the game more number one play. When you play game, it's either you gain or you lose. Do you understand? So now, as it is now, Boma and her husband, they don't they get issue. Not be say I reach here, not be say I hear, but due to the husband post that nobody should tag he and Boma as husband and wife, that shows that there's already problem already. Women, be careful and be wise. Don't allow men to use you like that. Don't allow your husband to use you like that. I don't know what people are doing now because of money. Nothing people cannot do now because of money. The reason why I don't know, it's very wrong. It's very wrong. But they had the child together. They had one son together. So anything can happen and that marriage can break because of what? Foolish thing. If you and your husband team up together, whether you are doing business, you are working, you must get there one day. It will only take time, but definitely you will get there. That is my belief, and it's working for me. I'm telling you, team up with your man, team up with your wife, have one goal, have one plan, you will get there. All this fast money wey we make and shout at the end, now not be even woman who make the money now white money make the money, which is a man. Do you understand? So this season don't be destined say na man go win am before. So whether Boma shake hands, she no shake hands, the money for not reach her hands. So please, let's be careful and be guided. It doesn't worth it. God respects marriage, and we human beings should value that. The moment you are married, don't even think of divorce and all that. Do you understand? So that's what I'm trying to say. So this is where I will drop my video for now. Share the video, give it a thumbs up. If you give my video a thumbs up, so YouTube will be recommending my videos, and they can't give it strike. The other day I posted one video here. Hi, if you see that video, hi. Maybe that video for they go viral. YouTube bring them down. They bring the video down, say the content too harsh, so I cannot post such video. So I'm being careful what I do. You know, I see they monitor the stuff. I don't know how to do it like that. The best way for they show me, you know, they're around anymore. So it is well. So I leave you the hands of God. May God bless you and keep you. See you on my next one. Thank you.
Hey, AJ, before we start, hold on. Before we start, guys, AJ is live right now. This is Tega's husband. Yeah, it's live right now. And you guys can forward it, just forward this to DMs so everybody can just listen to us. We're not going to take much of your time. The interview is not going to take long, you know, and keep supporting Buy Badges while the interview is going on. Thank you so much. Tega, what's going on? I am Tega's husband.
Yeah, Tunde, how far now, Tunde?
AJ Money, how you doing?
I did alright, it was good.
You look very happy though.
Well, what will I do?
Okay, so a quick one here. How long have you guys been married, you and Tega?
Yeah, basically we've been married for 4 years now.
Oh, 4 years. Oh, okay. So I'm not going to take much of your time. So I'm going to ask the questions like real quick. She said you guys planned everything that happened in the house.
Well,
You guys planned it. Don't lie, please. Everybody's listening to you right now. Just tell us the truth. We can see it in your eyes if you lie.
I'm going to be honest. Before she left into the Big Brother house, she said something about she was going to do everything, but she was not going to have sex. So I
Yeah.
was like, I don't understand. What do you mean by I'm going to do everything? What's the definition of everything? Come on, we are in Nigeria. If you go inside there and act very funny, put you out, and they'll judge you. So if you're going there, represent us as a married woman. That's what I told her, which she agreed with me. So I really don't understand what I was seeing on the TV. I was broken when I saw that. I was really, really broken because I know where I'm coming from. We are very, very responsible. Tega herself is a very good girl, but I wonder why she just went there and just did what she did. I can't explain it.
So has she's out of the Big Brother house now. Have you gotten a call from her? Have you guys spoken over the phone?
No, no, no. I've not seen
You have
her.
not spoken to her since yesterday.
No, I've not. She has not seen me, and I've not called her, and she has not called me.
Wow. So how okay, so now, yeah, when it happened, I know that obviously you'll be feeling down and all that. But right now, how do you feel? Like right now today, because she don't come off her house, all those things which she don't do for inside Big Brother don't pass now. So how do you feel right now? How do you feel?
I feel broken. I feel that my ego has been tempered with. I feel so sad and terrible. I won't lie. I can't even leave my house because a lot of stories on the streets, like I'm broken. Basically, I'm broken. I'm down. I won't lie.
Hmm. But so far, yeah, since you guys have been married, how has her behavior been? Has she always been like this? Like, is she like, how has her behavior been? Has she ever
Tunde,
showed any sign of this before ever?
Tega has been a very, very good girl.
Hmm.
Let's make me forget this side of her. Like she has been a very good girl. Very, very good girl. Like I am surprised. When I saw it, what came over, I was like, I'm gonna be my wife with this. It's like I said them clone her and another person, no be Tega with this.
Hmm.
But that is not my wife. I've never seen this side of Tega. Tega is a God-fearing woman. She has never for one day disobeyed me or even tried to, man, but like this is a different Tega I'm seeing.
Hmm.
I'm really shocked. I'm down. I'm broken. I want that Tega I used to know back, not the Tega in Big Brother house.
Hmm. So, I'm actually, you know what, the comment section where everybody's typing, it don't jam, it don't freeze right now because we have so many people typing at the same time. Yeah, but ladies and gentlemen, I hope you guys can hear me. If you can hear me, please click on the love on the side. I can see the love because the comment section, the messages are too many. I can't see. So click on the love. Let me see if you guys are with us. Click on the love, 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 and keep buying the badges to support us. Yeah. So this is the very serious question I want to ask you right now. Yeah, and this is the part that Nigerians really want to hear. What is next with you? Hello? Can you hear me?
I'm here. Yeah, I can hear you.
My phone don't jam. What is next with you and Tega? Is the marriage still gonna go on?
Sure. So basically, this is a very difficult question. Really, really difficult. But I'm just human. We are all human. I believe we all sin, and oh my God, will forgive us.
Yes.
So I think if I do anything funny right now, I don't know what might happen. Don't know what might happen. So I think the best thing that I'll have to do is for us to, though she knows, I believe she knows that what she did was totally bad, but I think she needs us right now more than ever. I won't throw her away. She's my wife. Yes, she has disappointed me, but I think this particular thing comes with marriage. No, there's no perfect marriage. I've never had issues with my marriage before for the past 4 years. We've never had issues. So if this should be our first issue, and then I don't think I should just abandon her. I think this is the time she needs me. What we just need basically is for Nigerians to just pray for us. We need your prayer. And, well, if she comes back and said, okay, babe, I'm really sorry. What I did was bad. I went out of my will. Well, no problem. I'll give her a second chance. But if she comes and still want to say what she did was okay, then I'll just let her go and I'll move.
Yeah. Anyways, so what I'm going to say is take heart, and hopefully both of you get things resolved when she comes out, when you guys speak on the phone. Then maybe later on we might get Tega up on this show too, or we'll get you back on, or we get you back on when everything is now going on smoothly and beautiful. But we would like update it maybe like a week or two. Is that okay with you?
No problem. No problem.
Thank you so much. God bless you. God bless you, my brother. You too much. Ladies and gentlemen, God bless you guys for listening to us. I don't just want to take much of you guys' time. In case you guys are not following me, follow me on my page, Mufasa Tunde Ednut. Then follow AJ too on his page. God bless you guys. God bless you. God bless you. And thank you so much for buying the badges. God bless you. I love you guys, man. We're not too much. God bless you guys.